Welcome to Action Manufacturing, the home of the Action Trackchair, and that's where it all began. Out of a family need, I have a son in a wheelchair, and we wanted to get him back outdoors, and this is where it started. It's been very exciting doing this stuff, been very rewarding, and it's happening here at Action Manufacturing.
Conceived in 2008, the original Action Trackchair rolled off the bench in early 2009. This innovative, all-terrain wheelchair gives those with disabilities a chance to leave paved paths and to go places that were previously thought off-limits, getting back outdoors and back into the action. But the creative minds at Action Manufacturing never rest and are busy developing other applications for the proven platform of the Action Trackchair. For example, the Action Track Porter and TrackBots. Moving into a modern facility in 2014, the dedicated team at Action Manufacturing employs state-of-the-art technology in metal fabrication. Laser cutting, robotic welding, tube bending, and machining. Yes, the Action Trackchair and Action Manufacturing have come a long way, creating a platform that can be customized to meet your needs and challenges. Let's start with the chair that began it all, the Action Trackchair, now with dealers in dozens of countries and on virtually every continent. There are roughly 4,000 Action Trackchairs in service around the globe, even in the most remote locations, like the tiny island of St. Paul off the coast of Alaska. Next, the Action Track Standard. A chair originally conceived as a special purpose chair, when in fact it has become a part of everyday life for most owners, with people using it for daily tasks and in aspects of their life they thought were gone forever. Just being able to stand, to move about, and partake in everyday events.
Action Trackchair is absolutely life-changing. Just so many different things that our world has opened up to so many more options in life. We can go hiking at our local campgrounds and do things as a family that way.
Giving them the ability to get out and do things on their own versus having to rely on mom and dad to get them from point A to point B.
Newest to the line is the Action Trackchair NR model. A new design, more compact in size, it allows owners to enjoy the outdoors in all kinds of terrain, but with fewer barriers, greater ease of loading and transport, and the ability to pass through standard doors. Another key feature to the Action Trackchair NR is that it provides more than 7 different adjustment points, so it can grow with its user or serve multiple users and situations.
7 months ago, champion rough rider and stockman Rick Seed's life was turned upside down.
He just come over backwards, land on top of me.
Thrown from his horse on his farm west of Bundaberg, the 57-year-old broke his spine in 3 places.
I'd lay there in bed and I'd look at my feet and try to move my toes. I'd try to move everything, but then there's one morning I get a little twitch just here, and it just a little twitch in the muscle.
A paraplegic, he knew he'd never walk again, but that wasn't his goal. He wanted to ride and return to his farm.
You all right?
Last week he did, with a specially made saddle and his bulldozer-cum-wheelchair. Rick is back on the horse.
This is our lineup of Action Trackchairs, chairs built with feedback from our hundreds of users and our valuable dealer and distributor network. That network is the Action Track Advantage. However, the creative minds at Action Manufacturing never rest and are busy putting more ideas into action constantly, like the Track Porter. Built off the time-tested platform of the Action Trackchair, the Action Track Porter puts traction, stability, and versatility to work on the farm, taking what once was hard, dirty, sometimes risky jobs and making them safer and easier.
Now with the Action Track Porter, you only need virtually one person to remove a mortality, versus when you had the old hand crank style, you had to have 2-3 big guys to remove a mortality. And now it's those other 2 people can be off doing some other task, so it's more efficient that way. It improves safety because you don't have to use all of your muscles in your body to remove a mortality. So you're not going to hurt your back, you're not going to hurt your arms. The machine does it all for you.
The Track Porter H24R can serve as both a mortality cart and a bore leader for heat checking. A Track Porter will also provide owners protection from work comp claims, operating safely on slippery, uneven floors, crossing over thresholds, up ramps, and through gates and doors. But there is still more to the Action Track story, as this universal robotic platform is finding its way into the world of tomorrow, with TrackBots being experimented with in further uses in agriculture, in mining, for surveillance, law enforcement, and even the U.S. military. The Action TrackBot enables users to employ remote-controlled track mobility that keeps people safe when entering hazardous locations. The system provides years of stable, low-maintenance service in tough environments and can be fully customized to meet your needs and challenges. That's why at Action Manufacturing we say our platform, your system. The original Trackchair was embraced by disabled veterans and outdoorsmen. But with thousands of chairs being built and sold, the Action Trackchair has found its way into the lives of people of all ages, challenges, needs, and walks of life. Yes, the Action Trackchair and the Action Manufacturing have come a long way. But one thing never changes, and that is the focus on the people we serve. Those people are central to why we designed the original chair, why we strive to make improvements in the manufacturing process and the chair's performance. It is why we have local dealers that can service and provide assistance to chair owners. And it is why we now have important partnerships with organizations like the Independence Fund, Semper Fi, Firehouse Subs, Carl Zeiss Optics, HAVA, and now the Action Mobility Foundation.
Thank you again for your support in our program here at Action Manufacturing. We have a lot of exciting things still coming, things we're working on. We have a tremendous employee list and R&D department, and we have a lot of new exciting things happening in the future. Thank you very much again for your support, and we want to keep striving to do the best we can for our customers all over the world.
This is the Action Track Chair, the Action Track story, the people that make it all happen, and the people who make it all worthwhile.